Hi friends, this is Lindsay for Fontsy. In today's video, we are sharing some creative ways you can press HTV onto a hoodie. So you can always press the HTV design onto the front, but if you want to try something a little bit different, then we'll show you how to do it. So we're going to be pressing 3 designs onto 2 different sweatshirts, and these are designs you can grab in the Sassy t-shirt bundle at Fontsy. I threw a link in the video description if you want to go ahead and check it out. Okay, so one of the places you can add a little bit of unexpected flair on the hooded sweatshirt is actually on the hood. And you could press the design just about anywhere on the hood. But keep in mind that there is a really thick middle seam running through the middle. So you want to avoid pressing directly on that area. So you can just move the design slightly off to the side. And then of course use a pressing pillow to raise up that area that you are going to be pressing. And then let everything else fall off the side of the pressing pillow and off the side of the heat press as well, so that nothing else is going to get in your way and you can apply the correct amount of pressure evenly to the area that you want to on the hood. And I found that I could actually hook one side of the hood to the corner edge of the heat press, and then use the pressing pillow to keep the rest of it smooth and flat, so I could get a really good press on this HTV. It is important to note though to not stretch out the area that's being pressed. You just want it smooth and flat. And then the next place that you can try pressing onto the hoodie is on the back of it. And so if you wanted the design to be seen when the person wearing it had the hood down, then of course you would want to place that design accordingly. But if you wanted to try something a little bit different, you can actually place the design underneath the hood, so that when the person wearing it flips up their hood, then there's just like a little fun design underneath. Again, you'll want to make sure that a pressing pillow is placed underneath that area, because there is a very thick seam there, and I did have a little bit of trouble getting the HTV to stick initially. So again, just be sure that you place the design far enough away from the seams that they are not going to interfere with the pressing. And then the last one we're sharing today is on the sleeve, because the design we used is a skull and it's very reminiscent of a tattoo, so it was just begging to be placed on the upper arm. And one of the things that you can do to help align the HTV design is press the sleeve flat first to get a crease down the center of the sleeve, and then you can use that line to center your design on the sleeve. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. We hope you found these ideas inspirational. And again, if you like the designs, then you'll find them in the Sassy t-shirt design bundle at Fontsy. So check the link in the video description. And then have yourself a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.